is a very critical feature yet. Logging into the room using Microsoft Intune includes ensuring you update policies and minimize exposure. Here's step-by-step guide to block pause updates from Intune. Step 1. Sign into the Intune admin site. 1. Visit the Microsoft Intune admin site, endpoints.microsoft.com. 2. Log in with your administrator credentials. Step 2. Create a configuration profile. 1. Navigate to Devices, Configuration Profiles, Create Profile. 2. Set Platform Admin Name. Select Settings catalog and hit Profile type. Next, step 3. Configure the settings. 1. In the configuration settings, click Add Settings. 2. Use the search bar to find Pause Updates. 3. Expand Windows Update Provisioning to show in results. 4. Select Pause Updates ability and set it to Block. Step 4. Assign the profile. 1. In the Assignment section, select the list of devices or users that the user is targeting. Review and deploy. 1. Review your settings for access. 2. Click Create to deploy the policy. How it works. This policy prevents users from pausing updates on their devices. As a result, updates are applied until the organization's schedule. Security vulnerabilities caused by delayed updates are minimized. IT administrators maintain control over update compliance. Why block pause updates? 1. Security. Ensures any application security measures. 2. Compliance. Keeps devices in line with organizational policies. 3. Stability. Reduces the risk of devices missing critical data. Conclusion. By using Microsoft Intune to block the pause updates ability, organizations can enhance security and maintain compliance